Hey guys, how's it going? Super excited to do this finally. I have picked my Schlage Primus. Picked it off camera for the first time a couple minutes ago, and now we're just going to try to catch it on camera. So, let's do this thing. I'm going to use 50 thousandths top of the keyway. Fits in there nice and snug. I'm going to use this offset hybrid custom made pick that I got from Darkwood Picks a month ago or so, and I'm going to use this. I just got my dimple pick kit today in the mail, which I was pretty pleasantly surprised actually, because I ordered it with free shipping from China like less than a week ago, so that was pretty awesome. And then I used the Dremel to cut this custom flag specifically for the finger pins in here. It's 17 thousandths. It's a tiny little flag, and it's just to get under and manipulate those finger pins, and it worked. So let's see if we can't make this thing happen. All right. Okay, those are the top pins picked, which everyone knows is not the challenge when we're talking about Primus. So these finger pins in here, I've never picked one of these before, and I've heard other pickers talk about how difficult it is to learn the feel for these things because it's just so minimal, and having to do it myself, I definitely agree with that. There's just so little notable feedback. I mean, every once in a while I'll be able to feel when one slips into its gait, but it's very inconsistent that I actually feel that happen. Typically it's just I'm just kind of going through, moving them one direction, giving a little jiggle, moving them the other. The jiggle test does work as far as I'm able to tell. You know, you get one, you move it one way, give it, and there it is. Sweet. Give it a little jiggle, move it the other way. Alright, Schlage Primus picked for the second time. There we go. She's open. I'm going to keep that guy in frame. Absolutely. Give me a second. Let me get my pinning tray down here. And I have the keys, so I'm not going to go losing the finger pins on here. I am going to lock her back up and use the keys. But there it is. She's picked. Lock it back up. Put the key in there. Okay. Hold my sidebar. There's your sidebar, unmodified. The gates have not been filed or widened in any way. Gonna put that in slot number 8. Before we go any further, I'm gonna take these springs out because I don't want to lose them. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay. Now we'll do the top pins. Pin 6. Oh, that was 5. Fell out. Pin 6. Pin 4. Let me shift a little bit so I can get the lighting a little better for you. There we go. Pin 3. Well, that guy does not want to come out of there. 2. And 1. These pins are in there really snug. Alright. There's your finger pin bitting. And it looks like number 1's the only one that really needs any lift. The other ones sit pretty flush to the bottom. Okay, we'll do this one at a time. Let me grab my tweezers, slide the key out one space, pull this guy out. Okay, I'm going to put that in slot, that's number 5, so I'll put it up slot number 5 high, and then I'll drop the spring. There we go. Okay, the next one, 4, and that spring. There we go. 3, and his spring. I'm damaging that acrylic. Darn. Okay, won't be doing that anymore. I love this pinning tray. I don't want to damage it. There's number 2 and his spring. And then number 1, just let him pop. There's number 1. You can see here, no modifications to the core. We get a light in there. Everything's normal. Schlage Primacy. Okay. Now for the upstairs. Pin 1 standard. I believe these are all standard. I'm just going to let them all drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay, we'll give you the close-up here. And I'll show you these, that these finger pins are not modified. There you go, you can see that one. Real gate, not modified. There you go. There's another one. Unmodified. There you go, number 3. Oh, shot it across my desk. Number 3, unmodified. Number 4, or number 2, I suppose. I'm counting the wrong way, but whatever. And then number 1, unmodified. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm very excited to get this open. My first Schlage Primus, and it was actually, once I had the right tool, this handmade 17 thousandths little tiny flag, once I had the right tool, it actually seemed to go pretty easy. So don't be afraid to tackle something new. Try something that you've never done before. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe, give me a comment, whatever. Have a nice day.